Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to folks on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with news from Hanover. The police in the parish are investigating the circumstances surrounding the death of a Canadian guest who is suspected to have drowned at the RIU Hotel on Friday. The deceased has been identified as 63-year-old Jax Mongrain. Reports are that the man went for a swim at the beach on Friday morning and was later discovered floating face down by another guest about 11:20 a.m. Now, according to the hotel's management, Mr. Mongrain was taken from the sea by a lifeguard and another guest, and emergency CPR was then administered. He reportedly responded positively for the first 30 seconds, after which no pulse was detected. He was later pronounced dead. Now, TVJ News understands that Mr. Mongrain was vacationing with his sister, who it is understood revealed that he had a pre-existing heart condition. Now, Mr. Mongrain's death follows Monday's drowning of a 3-year-old Canadian girl, Shay Anderson, who drowned in a pool at the RIU Negril Hotel in Trelawney.